Welcome to PineGenAI. Today we're unveiling a game-changing feature that transforms how you interact with AI for PineScript development. Our revolutionary ChatContinuation with memory history is live. If you've ever been frustrated by losing conversation context when developing trading strategies, this feature will completely change your workflow. Let me show you why this is a massive breakthrough for PineScript developers. Here's the problem every PineScript developer faces. You're building a complex RSI strategy, discussing entry conditions, exit logic, and risk management. Suddenly, your chat session ends, or you start a new conversation. Traditional AI systems forget everything. You have to re-explain your entire strategy concept, repeat your requirements, and rebuild context from scratch. This kills productivity and breaks your creative flow. For complex PineScript development, this context loss is devastating. You lose your iterative development process, your refinement history, and all of the nuanced adjustments you've made. That's why we built memory history with ChatContinuation. This isn't just saving old messages. This is intelligent context preservation that understands your entire PineScript development journey. Watch this magic happen. When you continue in the thread, PineGenAI doesn't just load old text. It reconstructs your entire development context, understanding every strategy iteration, every modification, and every refinement you've made. The AI remembers your RSI thresholds, your moving average periods, your risk management preferences, and exactly where you left off in your strategy development. This is contextual intelligence, not just text retrieval. Let me show you with the simplest example. Step 1. I'll ask for basic RSI code. Request 1. Write a RSI PineScript code. The AI generates clean RSI indicator code with proper PineScript structure. Perfect. Now here's where the magic happens. Step 2. I want to add MACD as an exit condition to this code. Request 2. Include MACD as exit for previous code. Watch this, I don't need to re-explain anything. The AI knows exactly which code I'm referring to. Incredible. The AI took the existing RSI code and intelligently added the MACD exit logic. It maintained the RSI structure and seamlessly integrated MACD crossover exits. No copying, no pasting, no re-explaining. This is natural strategy development, building complexity step by step through simple, conversational requests. This feature delivers 5 massive advantages for PineScript developers. Advantage 1, iterative strategy development. Build complex strategies across multiple sessions without losing progress. Perfect for developing sophisticated trading systems over time. Advantage 2, contextual modifications. Make precise adjustments without re-explaining your entire strategy. Tighten the stop-loss works because the AI remembers your current setup. Advantage 3, learning preservation. The AI remembers your preferred coding style, parameter ranges, and risk management approaches across all conversations. Advantage 4, collaborative development. Perfect for team environments where multiple developers work on the same strategy concepts. Advantage 5, long-term strategy evolution. Track how your strategies develop and evolve over weeks or months of refinement. This is why PineGenAI stands miles ahead of other AI coding tools. We're not just generating code, we're providing a complete PineScript development environment with memory. Other tools generate code, forget everything. PineGenAI. Understand your trading philosophy, remember your strategy evolution, and build on your development history. This enables development workflows, impossible with traditional tools. You can build institutional-grade trading systems through natural conversation evolution, maintaining context across weeks of development. Real-world applications are transformative. Professional traders develop complex multi-indicator systems over multiple sessions. Quantitative researchers iterate on backtesting parameters while maintaining full context. Trading teams collaborate on strategy development with shared memory. PineScript learners build understanding progressively, with the AI remembering their skill level and learning progress. No more starting explanations from zero. ChatContinuation with memory history transforms PineGenAI from a code generator into your intelligent PineScript development partner. Experience contextual AI that grows with your trading strategy development. Try this revolutionary feature today, completely free. Subscribe for more groundbreaking updates.